Back here with another look at Kaspa. Here's where we left yesterday's video. All right here. We talked about possibilities, where price could go. Now, we're seeing a nice bounce in the market today. All right, this is on a daily chart. Bitcoin's bouncing, I believe it's roughly 3,000 bucks over here. Let's go over here. Just did a Myro video there. Boy, we nailed the bottom on that yesterday. Let's come over here. Take a look at Bitcoin. Yeah, it's up $3,129. All right, now let's get that off there. Let's open this up. Okay, you can see on the daily this thing is just about reset. Okay, the 12-hour is just turning up. The 8-hour is just turning up. All right, so you got your higher the daily, the 12 and the 8 all turning up. Okay, the weekly still bullish, 97 and a 91, and then you got your monthly right at 100 and 100, where it's been for the past couple months now. Now, one thing that is going to tell me that that a possible, I don't think the correction's over yet, but one way to tell, I mean, we got the daily turning back up here. Watch for, put your fib on this thing and watch for a break of the 618 or 702. Keep a bit, and then you got to deal with this trend line after that. All right, but the 618 is going to be very, very interesting. Okay, we're reset on that daily. This could be just a bounce up for a wave 2, out of 5 waves down. Very possible. One bounce up to the 618. Going to be very interesting when we get back up to that price. 3, 4, 5, maybe. It's nobody knows for sure. Okay, you see all the everything out there. Of course, I try not to watch other videos and let them influence what I say in mine. So, but I've seen articles, excuse me, on the internet and everything about $50,000 Bitcoin. Of course, them prices are absolutely possible. All right. Do I believe we're in a full-fledged start of a bull run? Absolutely. If you go out on a weekly on this thing, or on a monthly, let's go on a monthly, okay, and take this off here. You can clearly see Bitcoin has broke through the 786 and is well on its way here. Just starting a bull run, okay? This first, you got 1, 2, wave 3 right here. Possibly a wave 4 pullback, and then a 5th wave up. That's all just going to be a big wave 1, 2, and then after the 4th and 5th wave here, we will start 1, 2. We would start our 3rd wave of the bull run up after the 2nd wave is finished. But I think we got a long ways to go before this wave 1 is done. Okay. The target for this, I think, is up at 90,000 bucks for this first wave. Let's put a trend-based fib on it and look from the bottom. Roughly, I'm just kind of winging it here. I don't want to take up a lot of your time. Whoops, retracements down here. Yeah, we're at 87, 90,000 bucks, somewhere around there. All right, that would give it a 1, 2, 3, possibly a 4th wave pullback here, and then a 5th wave. I'd probably expect a pretty deep, maybe a deep 4th wave pullback. Because wave 2 was not very complex. All right, if you have a very complex wave 2, like a deep wave 2, you might get away with a shallow wave 4, but just a simple wave 2 like this, wave 4 is probably going to be a little bit deeper. So very possible it pulls back here. We're going to have to keep an eye. Like I said, if we're going on a daily, all right, blow this up a little bit price wise. Let's get this off here out of our way. Keep an eye on that 618 fib level and the 702. That's why I in my trading videos I tell people to put that 702 in there. Crypto has reactions to the 702 for some reason, right? It's you'll think you're through the 618 and it'll hit the 702 and get rejected. All right, so very crucial area right up through here. Let's mark it and see what happens here. And while I'm doing that, we have that this morning we took a long on FET think I closed my trade at 180% profits, and there was a few other people who jumped in and were in the Discord this morning on that trade. So if you're interested, we have a level 3 membership for $14.99. Gets you 22 videos, 9 hours of videos to teach you how to use all this stuff, the fib, look for targets, how to use MEXC, how to set up TradingView, everything you can think of is in there, how to use the RSI, all of it, and a link to our trading Discord for 15 bucks. So that's a level 3. We would love to have you. If you're interested, please come over and sign up. All right. We have 195 members now. So thank you to all the members, and I really mean that. I sincerely do. Thank you. You know, keeps me doing these videos. I'm a small YouTuber, so I definitely need the support. That's for sure. So keep an eye on this 618 or 702, guys. 70,300 to 71,000 area. Watch for a possible rejection there. Keep a very good eye on that. In the meantime, as Bitcoin runs, everything else is more than likely going to run up also. All right, so we've been dealing, excuse me, we've been dealing with this trend line for a while. Let's get these up here. Let's not even think about these right now, okay? Let's just get them out of here and deal with this trend line that we've been fighting for a while now. We can see I want it as perfect as I can get it. Let's go on to 12. Zoom in a little bit here. Of course, we've had some, you know, a fake out up through here where it looked like it was going to break out and it didn't. That's why you got to confirm your breakouts. Very important. Now, when Kaspa gets up here, excuse me, you know, this 14-cent area, you're going to be getting close to this resistance, okay? Any break of, you know, 14.5 cents, that's going to clear this line right here, which I will turn blue so you can see it. The 14.5 cent area, then this thing is going to head up. Now, what would convince me that we were not going down further? Quite honestly, a takeout of this level right here. Right there, okay? I'm going to turn that yellow. Take out of that area, that would be a low wave 1, 2. I apologize, I'm going to get moving here. The rain's starting. We've had terrible storms. Take out of this level here. Where would that be on a fib? Let's put a fib on here. Areas to keep an eye on. Okay, that yellow line is right underneath of our 618. So, very possible. You know, very possible we bounce from here. That 618 is above there. Now a closing candle above this area, okay? Not just a wick up here. It has to be a closing candle above that 16, you know, 16.1 area. That's your, that's on the daily. Both these are daily closes. Let me show you exactly where I'm pointing to. Right here, okay? Zoom right in on them. And I can show you a daily close over here above that level. This yellow line right here would convince me that that we could go higher. Okay, so keep an eye on that. I would honestly, we break out of here, I'm expecting at least a bounce to 16.5 cents. Will that be a wick up here and close below this line? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. You know, or possibly even up to 17 cents, 618 or 702. Them are your bounce areas. So could have a run here coming for Kaspa. You know, we talked about a double bottom yesterday. Pretty close. These are daily candles. I mean, we've tapped this area 3 times now. You know, and we have bounced up out of here. And these came off of these weekly closing areas here is where we got these trend lines from. All right, so keep a very close eye on them, those levels, guys. Watch for a break of, like I said, about 14.4, 14.5, roughly right around there, 14.5 probably. You know, and this thing could really start running. We got the daily is heading up. You got your 12-hour heading up, bullish, 8-hour heading up, bullish, 53 and a 27. Where's the weekly? With that weekly's at a 38 and a 53 there, bearish. But it could turn back up here. So keep an eye on Kaspa. Keep an eye on those levels. Very, very important. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. I'll see you in Discord, a lot of you guys. And please come join up. We'd love to have you. Have a great day.